How to save as MP4 in VideoPad. Click the Export Video button on the toolbar and select Video File. Enter an export file name, set the path and Save to Folder, select MP4 from the file format drop-down, and then click Create. Continue watching for additional details on saving to MP4 format. From the Export Video drop-down list, select Export Wizard. Choose if you want to save your MP4 file to your computer, to a disk, or upload to the cloud. On the next step, select the type or location, then enter an export file name or use the default and select a Save to Folder. Select MP4 from the file format drop-down list. Click on Advanced Encoder Options if you want to edit the default encoding settings. Lossless Export will default to the best choice for your file and selected format. You can select a new resolution and frame rate from the drop-down menus. VideoPad will use a variable frame rate unless you check Constant Frame Rate. When checked, maximum frame rate becomes the frame rate. Once you click Create, the Export Queue dialog will open. This allows you to manage multiple export tasks queued up to run in the background while you continue editing. When the export is complete, you can watch or share your MP4 movie. For more VideoPad tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.